My name is Caden Thomas. I'm 17 years old and I've lived in Cardiff, Wales for my entire life. I've been asked to share my story and I'm hoping that by doing so, I might be able to help other young people who have been in similar situations. My day begins each school morning with a walk to the bus, then a journey that can take up to 2 hours if the traffic or weather is bad. I attend Cardiff Vale College, where I'm studying to be an auto mechanic. Working with automobiles is more than just a career goal. It's a passion. Some people might even call it my life's calling. But the story I would like to share, the story of my life, begins when I was really young.
There was a lot of things that a kid shouldn't have seen or gone through, negligence with schooling and all around violence and stuff where I was living, and no 5-year-olds should be seeing that.
At the age of 6 years old, I was removed from my biological family's home and introduced to a brand new family.
Caleb was very, very upset when he came. He came with his brother actually, who moved on after about 4.5 years. But I think he accepted it in the end. He was still able to see his parents, and I think that helped a lot as well.
While I'm happy to report that my biological parents are doing much better now, growing up with a new set of parents, my adoptive parents, have made such a difference in my life.
He was very young when he was removed from his mother and father, and it took him a while, to settle really.
At the end of a long day, I come home to a place that I've now called home for 11 years. Without the Lawrence family, with their love and kindness, I can't imagine how my life would have been.
From the bottom of my heart, thank you for everything. And I love you guys, because without you guys, I would be nowhere.
And that's the story I'd like to share. The story of growing up in care. It seems like there's a stigma that people look at kids differently when they've grown up with foster parents.
Without someone speaking up about the struggles and all sorts, there'd be nothing about the stigma that the kids have nowadays. Especially in the care system as well, because we all are just branded with the same brush. We're up to no good. We're kids that have had terrible lives, living in the worst positions possible. But we are just kids, we're all growing up. We will be who we are because I'm never going to change. My past can never change, but my future can.